Sunshine in appeal, discovering the zest of citrus. Citrus fruits are like little bursts of sunshine. They are brightly colored and full of flavor. We know them for their tangy taste and refreshing juice. But citrus fruits are much more than just a tasty treat. They are packed with healthy nutrients that our bodies love. These fruits have been enjoyed for centuries. Ancient cultures used them not only for food, but also for their medicinal properties. Modern science is now proving what people have known for years. Citrus fruits are little powerhouses of goodness. They can help us live healthier lives. Familiar friends, oranges, lemons, and grapefruits, oh my. When we think of citrus fruits, a few familiar faces come to mind. Oranges with their juicy segments are a breakfast staple. Lemons add a tart zest to our drinks and dishes. Grapefruits with their slightly bitter sweetness offer a refreshing start to the day. But the citrus family extends far beyond these well-known members. Limes, with their unique aroma, are key ingredients in many cuisines. Mandarins, with their easy-to-peel skin, make for a convenient snack. And then there are pomelos, ugly fruits, and many more, each with its own distinct flavor and nutritional profile. Beyond the sea, unveiling the hidden treasures. Citrus fruits are famous for being excellent sources of vitamin C. This vitamin is our immune system's best friend, helping us fight off infections and stay healthy. But the benefits of citrus fruits extend far beyond vitamin C. These fruits are packed with a whole range of nutrients that work together to keep us in tip-top shape. We're talking about fiber, flavonoids, antioxidants, and more. These nutrients work their magic in various ways, from boosting our heart health to giving our skin a healthy glow. Fiber power, a digestive system's best friend. Let's talk about fiber, a nutrient often overlooked but incredibly important for our well-being. Citrus fruits are good sources of dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber. This type of fiber acts like a sponge in our digestive system. It absorbs water, adding bulk to our stool and promoting regular bowel movements. This means saying goodbye to constipation and hello to a happy gut. But that's not all. Fiber also helps regulate blood sugar levels, keeping those energy crashes at bay. Section 5, antioxidant armor, shielding our cells from damage. Our bodies are constantly under attack from harmful molecules called free radicals. These troublemakers can damage our cells and contribute to various health problems. That's where antioxidants come in, acting like valiant knights protecting our cells from these harmful invaders. Citrus fruits are abundant in antioxidants, including vitamin C, flavonoids, and carotenoids. These powerful compounds neutralize free radicals, reducing the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, cancer, and Alzheimer's disease. Section 6, flavonoids, the mighty protectors of our hearts. Flavonoids, a group of phytonutrients found abundantly in citrus fruits, deserve special attention for their remarkable heart protective properties. These compounds act like guardians of our cardiovascular system, keeping our blood vessels healthy and our hearts pumping strong. Studies have shown that flavonoids can help lower blood pressure, reduce bad cholesterol levels, and improve blood flow. This translates to a lower risk of heart attacks, strokes, and other cardiovascular events. Section 7, scientific spotlight, evidence backs up the citrus power. The health benefits of citrus fruits are not just folklore, they are backed by solid scientific evidence. Numerous studies have investigated the impact of citrus consumption on various aspects of health, and the results are impressive. For instance, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who consumed orange juice daily for 4 weeks had significantly lower blood pressure compared to those who didn't. Another study published in the journal Stroke found that women who ate higher amounts of citrus fruits had a lower risk of ischemic stroke, a type of stroke caused by a blood clot in the brain. Section 8, a citrus a day, simple steps to a healthier you. Incorporating citrus fruits into our daily diet doesn't require drastic changes. It's all about making small, sustainable adjustments that can lead to significant health benefits in the long run. Start your day with a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice or a grapefruit half. Add lemon slices to your water for a refreshing twist. Snack on mandarin oranges or tangerines for a healthy and convenient treat. Experiment with different citrus fruits to find your favorites and explore their unique flavors. Get creative in the kitchen and use citrus juice and zest to add a burst of flavor to your dishes. Section 9. Embrace the zest, a final word on citrus goodness. Citrus fruits, with their vibrant colors, refreshing flavors, and impressive nutritional profiles, offer a delicious and accessible path to a healthier life. From boosting our immune system to protecting our hearts, these fruits are packed with benefits that extend far beyond their vitamin C content. So, let's embrace the zest and make citrus fruits a regular part of our daily routine. Our bodies will thank us for it.